Okay, guys, tell me before. You know, I got these. This is the decompression. Right now, it's open. Right now, it's open. You guys ready or no? This is my Yanmar 3GM. These guys are trying to bring it back up to snuff. Doing a lot of servicing on it. From the engine mounts to the injector. We are going through it, cleaning up. He's bleeding it right now. Okay, here we go. Start it up.
Good.
Give it some starting fluid. Starting fluid. You guys have a carburetor cleaner? WD-40?
No.
WD-40?
Yes, yeah.
Go.
Again. Yes.
Oh, you're bleeding?
Bleeding.
Do you have fuel there or
Bleeding
no?
first. Fuel.
You having fun? Say hi to 1 million people on YouTube.
Hello, hi.
These are the best mechanics in the Philippines right here.
No.
The best of the best of the best of the best.
Hi.
Eye of the tiger. Pacquiao.
Ah, Pacquiao.
Oh, Pacquiao.
Idol.
Idol.
Yes, put it in the. That'll help it start. Let's go.
Lubricant trust.
Put it in here.
Trust in division.
This is carburetor cleaner, right? Oh, what the heck is that? No, I don't know what that is. Oh, no, that's not right. Shit. Here, you get the. Let's get the compressed air.
Yeah.
Put it in there good, all the way, all the way.
Okay.
Let's go.
Start.
Oh.
Boy.
Action.
Hop. Isa. Isa mo niya ako raw sa.
Ang dami, open tanaw.
Open na di pag magkuan,
Let's
give
go.
mo ha. Okay, ding. Hop, isa.
Almost. If we need
Almost nothing.
WD-40.
Carburetor, cleaner.
We need a carburetor cleaner. And it boom start.
Try again.
Let's go.
Ding. Na,
Lobat battery. Battery is weak.
Start here.
Dahil, naibot mo lang.
Okay, so we're gonna try some of this. See if this does a trick. Okay, guys, I got it. I got some.
Yung kay vlog.
More. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Ding.
Let it run.
No water.
It's okay, a little bit. Hold on, let it run, wait, up, hold on. Problem right here. Look at, no difference.
Action man.
Okay, kill it.
Good.